Okay, I know what you're thinking. Mike, where you been? It's been 6-8 weeks since you've posted anything on YouTube. Way too long, but we've been way too busy. We've been mostly putting together GNS HQ. It's about 90% finished, but enough. I'm gonna just show you in all of its glory and mess and give you the office tour. Welcome to the new headquarters. Okay, it is time for an office tour. Like I said, I haven't posted anything for a long time. I am so excited about this new office. We have been working like this. Someone asked me the other day, how you liking the new office? I said the old office, it felt like I was in a straitjacket. There was nowhere to move. It was in 2 locations. There was kind of the dirt shop, and then that's also where I was shooting YouTube videos, and then there was the actual office where she was doing all her work, and we've combined it all into one.
It was a very tiny office.
Yes, it was 2 tiny spaces, and if you remember the old YouTube wall or whatever, that's the only angle you ever got to see, because it was such a garbage little office for that as a Paydirt shop. So now we have this massive rectangle. It's just a big rectangle with huge ceilings. It had its own issues. We had to work through some of the issues, primarily like how do you divide it up? And we divided it up, we think, pretty well. The Paydirt space. Okay, let's go see if Dad remembers his old friend. Hey, Dad. I was thinking of putting this right here.
Oh, good.
Or maybe right over here.
I really miss that big lumbering thing that I could move every time. I had to move every time I
I
wanted to
knew
get
you'd be
something.
missing your old friend in your new Paydirt shop. Hello, old friend. Look at how much dust. Whoops. Look how much dust is on that. This Paydirt shop and the vlog area have been separated forever now. We'll clean Dad's old friend up, but he won't ever have to see it again.
Put some lipstick on her.
Yeah. I love putting my feet up, grabbing my laptop, putting it on my lap, and that's how I edit videos. I don't sit at a desk. I hate sitting at a desk. And so I wanted this little living room area. Also, I know sometimes I bounce between projects and it's nice to take a little nap. So full-size couch, absolutely, we needed that. These 2 chairs were kind of, I don't know, I can see it sitting here just like we are right now with like a guest or something and doing an interview or something, not necessarily over at the main
100%.
spot, but
100%.
we could be here doing videos as well. So this living room was kind of a section that we decided needed to be 1/4 of that big rectangle that we're working in. And then there's the issue of storage. I have a lot of stuff, or what someone has told me before, crap. Mike, you got a lot of crap.
It's true.
Okay, the big rectangle gets divided up to a storage area. It's not sexy. I know it's not sexy. It's where we store everything. You'd think gold is so small. It's so small. Why would you need all this stuff? But it just accumulates, doesn't it? It does, yes. So this is kind of that area. And then, of course, there's my area because I'm an artist. There's some creative stuff going on, and there's like a whole closet, just Mike's, Mike's crap is all in one big closet. And that's the beauty of this rectangle. There's rooms outside of the rectangle for all this other junk. Okay, I said we're 90% done. We're not done. I don't even know why I'm showing you this room, but I'll give you the full tour. The room of junk, all Mike's stuff that I accumulate from the gold vlog and from this business, and maybe someday we'll do a tour ×2 of this room. But I love that I have this room so that the rest of the area looks good. So Mike's scrambled brain up here works really well in chaos. And again, all this hasn't been put away. Eventually this room will be, you know, something good. All right, closing the door on that. And I'll show you this. This is gonna be everything that someone has sent us in the mail. And a lot of it's still put away because we've had some things get sent to us. But Whiskey Lover, this is some really, by the way, this is top shelf. This is very, very top shelf. Whiskey Lover, thank you for that. Special occasions, hangs out there with the doll from Jordan. The, what do they call those, Kim? I forget what they call these, but that was from Jordan. Christmas.
A little bobblehead.
We will try this coffee eventually. And just a few things. This one came from Amora. That's another one from Whiskey Lover. Whiskey Lover sent us a bunch of stuff. But this whole little area will be dedicated to things people send us because we're always very appreciative. Speaking of things that people have sent us, move next door and I'll show you this area. Okay, this is what I've been spending most of my time on. I mean, we've been hanging curtains, painting floors, but this is what I wanted to make so badly. And it was this blank concrete wall, just a blank concrete wall that what are you gonna do with this blank concrete wall? And kind of one thing led to the other. I love this dark walnut, and I built or framed out these pillars with this dark walnut. I mean, it's pine, truthfully. It's pine with a dark walnut stain, but it looks so
pretty.
Good. And then these lights, all the lights in the same white as the Candy for Grown-Ups, it all dialed in together, and it exceeded my expectations of what it could be. I mean, it's just fantastic. So this is the new mainframe for the gold vlog. You know, we'll be talking about lots of pieces of gold, and actually, I got 2 packages. Bear with me. Let's do a little mail call real quick. Yeah. Okay, 2 packages to open. The first 2 christening. We're christening the new shop with a little mail call. Now the rule is, you gotta wait till we shoot a vlog to get these in the. I won't open a package unless it's on the YouTube channel. I just won't do it. So this is from Mark in Pennsylvania. Mark's a big fan over on the Whatnot station when he's not bowling and golfing. Okay, he sent us a huge bag, Pennsylvania Paydirt, which means, thank you, Mark. We'll have to do something special, something different with that for sure. I'm not sure what yet, but then What? Mike's Mystery Mix. He wants me to sell these now. Mike's Mystery Mix. Hang on. Poor Pennsylvania River Paydirt with a lot of love added. Dealer's choice, Annie Up and Pan Away, goldnuggetsales.com. Mark, very creative. There'll be something. We'll do some Pennsylvania Paydirt courtesy of Mark on the website, because I think he gave me enough to do quite a few bags. Mark, that is the first fan Paydirt ever. Oh, greenbacks, 3 of them. What's going on with that? Mike, here's the dirt we classified on the trip. Maybe you can auction some off one of these evenings. Paydirt bag that you add the love on camera seems to bring a nice premium. Maybe, maybe not. I just ask you send one back loaded with love. Hope the new office is coming along. It is just fine. Mark, P.S. A nice pan mix of $300 worth would be great. All right, Mark, we got you covered. Appreciate you, sir. All right, next package. Don't cut my fingers off. Never pull a knife towards you. All the lessons I learned as a kid. Don't run with scissors. Lots of peanuts in here. Here's a note. Thank you and everyone at GNS for the wonderful pans. Enjoy the Sinatra and take the Kentucky out of your next gold adventure. I already know what's in here. He gave it away in the note. Ooh. What? What? A Jack Daniel's Sinatra. Holy cow. Look at this. I gotta say, I love when we get anything in the mail, but a bottle of whiskey? Come on. There's something else in here. Holy cow. Kentucky Owl? Look at this. Look at this. Matt, you've outdone yourself. Unbelievable. I think we really got to christen this place. How about a shot of whiskey done in the most epic B-roll I can do? I think we'll do this one. Mark and Matt, thank you so much. Appreciate the whiskey, the dirt. Mark, we'll talk about what we could possibly do here. Maybe some whatnot bags for sure. Wonderful whiskey. Appreciate both of you so much. There's one more room. There's one more mystery room I gotta show you to end the tour. Now, if you know Dylan Miller's prospecting, he always tells me, Mike, you got a swimming pool full of gold. He says, Mike, I see you sitting in your office like Scrooge McDuck swimming through your pool of gold.
Interesting.
Would you like to see the pool of gold? I know Dylan wants to see the pool of gold. Come with me. I can't believe I'm going to show you guys the swimming pool of gold. The swimming pool of gold. Wait a minute. I knew there was a swimming pool of... Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is the, a little bit clickbaity, but it is the swimming pool of gold just for you, Dylan Miller. All right, that's going to be it. That is the tour. Sorry for the clickbait. I know just a little bit clickbaity here with the swimming pool. But speaking of miniatures, coming up like in the next, I don't know, week, 10 days, the mini Paydirts are here. They're almost here. Give me about a week, 10 days, and we will have the miniature Paydirts online. I'm not sure, quarter gram of gold? I think a quarter gram of gold is going to be in these little guys. Tuck them away, give them as gifts. Anyway, I've said enough. This is a sneak peek, so we'll see you next episode. Bye.